everyone, it's great to see you. So I'm giving you a quick update today on what a second-year clematis can look like. And this is pretty impressive to me. So I have a number of clematis that I put in last year for the first time. My goal was to cover the trellis so that you couldn't see this ugly pipe back here, and boy, it's doing a pretty good job right away. So last year it did bloom and I loved these clematis, and I did not cut it back at all. I just went, I know you can, but I'm gonna see what happens. And I'm so pleased here. I feel like we're really getting that look that I wanted. I wanted the structure, the height, but then I wanted sort of that wild, bushy, here are all the flowers, and pretty soon it will be blooming. This clematis was also planted last year, and boy, there's actually two different kinds here, but you can tell it's slightly different than the other one. I still have lots of buds coming. I'm getting the height that I want. Not quite as full, but it's looking great. One more kind to show you. And then yet another kind of clematis, and I have to look up what kind this is. I believe it's a Tekla, is 2 years old, and it's only this tall. So you can sort of see a range of your clematis types here, but they're all doing really, really well. Clematis to me are one of those like no-fail vines. Even if they get clematis wilt, which looks like they're dying, they could drop down back to the ground. They still can send up new shoots from that. So I love the clematis, and I would highly recommend that if you haven't tried one in your garden yet, pick one up, give it a try, and see how it goes. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.